Buying a home can be both exciting and stressful. Follow these steps to find one that fits your lifestyle and budget.
Start by prioritizing features into required, important, and nice to have. Use this checklist along with your budget to stay focused.
Check out the neighborhood. Make sure it fits your lifestyle.
Factor in your commute time, street noise, and the condition of the other homes.
The right number of bathrooms can be crucial.
Ideally, you'll have one bathroom per bedroom, and the layout of showers and tubs can make a big impact. So keep your daily routine in mind.
Keep other considerations in mind, such as guest bathroom locations and available storage.
When looking at bedrooms, consider your family's future and current plans.
You may need more room for caregivers or an expanding family.
Take into account plans for home offices, gyms, or even rooms for guests.
If you enjoy cooking and entertaining, make sure that the kitchen size, layout, and location to the dining room all suit your needs.
Open kitchen give hosts the opportunity to interact with their guests while preparing the food.
If you prefer dining out, an upscale kitchen may not be a priority. Take note of outdated appliances, the locations of electrical outlets, the condition of the countertops, and the flooring.
Curb appeal is important. Inspect the property for hidden concerns. Drainage issues, pests, and trees vulnerable to storms can be bigger issues down the line. Make sure you know the measurements of your current furniture to make sure it will fit in the space. Make sure there is enough room for storage items, from seasonal decorations to bikes and sports equipment.
Use a home inspection checklist to make sure the home is in good condition.
Find out the age of the home. If it was built before 1978, it could have lead paint concerns. Check the foundations for cracks, the roof and gutters for leaks, and make sure electrical and plumbing are up to date. These are red flags that can be large expenses down the line.
Keep an eye out for sellers' attempts to cover up issues. Look for an abundance of air fresheners, amateur workmanship, and patches of new paint. A home that is too cold or too hot could be a sign of a faulty HVAC unit, which are expensive to replace. Keep stairs and entryways in mind if you have aging relatives that need easy access.
Good luck with the move.
And thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.